Hey, this is Kenny Blue. I'm going to show you how to create a numbered multi-level heading style in Microsoft Word 2010. I recently researched this to figure out how to do it in a document and found a variety of tutorials on this topic, and they all seem to be more difficult than they needed to be. I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. Start by creating 4 lines of text on the screen, and I'm just going to call them level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Now highlight all of those lines of text, come up here to the Home tab and click the multi-level list icon and come over here to the one that looks like this and click this, and you'll see that it automatically applies the default list style to your 4 lines of text, numbering them 1, 2 through 4. The next thing we want to do is insert our cursor at the beginning of line 2 and press the tab key 1 time. Place it on line 3 and press the tab key 3 times, 1, 2, or 2 times, 3 times on the last line. Push the tab key 3 times on the last line, 1, 2, and 3. And so now we have 4 levels of numbered headings, or there'll be numbered headings when we're finished here. The first thing that you want to modify in the appearance is to decide whether or not you want this space between the numbers and the title that you have on the screen here. By default, it uses the tab settings within Microsoft Word. I want to change that to a space. So to do that, you come back to this multi-level list icon, go down to define new multi-level list, and if you can't see all of the options here, press the More button so that you can see all of the options. Click the level that you want to modify. I'm going to modify all 4 levels, so I click level 1, change the tab character to a space, and then I come to level 2, change the tab character to a space, go to level 3, change the tab character to a space, level 4, change the tab character to a space, and then click OK. Now you see that it adjusted so that the text and the numbers are not based on the tab settings within Microsoft Word or the default or whatever tab setting that you set up for your list. Instead, it's using a space character, which is fine with my needs. The next thing you want to do is change the appearance of your styles and make them styles. And so click on line 1, go to the lower left hand down arrow on the Styles palette, click that, and then click Save Selection as a new quick style. Give it a name. I'm going to call mine Heading Numbered 01. I'm going to copy that because I'm going to reuse this. Control C, click OK. Click on line 2 and repeat that process. Go to Save Selection as new quick style, paste in that title, change it to 02, click OK. Click on line 3, repeat the process, the down arrow, save selection as new quick style, paste in the heading name, this one's 03, and lastly we click line 4, down arrow, save as a new quick style, paste in that title, change it to 04, click OK. Now we want to change the appearance of these styles. Now you can see that they're in the style palette up here at the top. And I'm going to change the appearance. So to do that, first I click on line 1, again click the down arrow. This time I click Apply Styles and I get the style menu that comes up so that I can select Modify, and I'm going to change the font to HP Simplified, the size to 0.16, make it bold. I'm going to change the color, click OK. Then I click on line 2 and repeat the process, and you can see it says heading numbered 02 now. I click Modify. I'm going to change the font to HP Simplified, the size to 14, and that's bold. Click on line 3, and now you can see that 03 is in the list. I click Modify, change that to HP Simplified, 12 bold, and last level 4, you see heading number 04. I click Modify, HP Simplified, 12 point regular. Click OK. So now I have in my styles palette these 4 numbered heading styles, so that if I want to add a title and then a second title in the document, it follows the numbering. And because I'm using this style, it's based on the list style, it doesn't matter if this is a long document or a short document, or I re-import this text into another document, you'll be able to maintain your numbering scheme without losing the numbering scheme. And if you want to change these styles now, all you have to do is go to the Styles palette. I'll open up this Styles palette here, and you can see that if I wanted to change it to numbered level 4, I can just click this, or 3, or 2, and you can add these and change them in the document at will, and it will automatically update them as you add them into the document. Works really well. That's all.